Welcome to Off-Grid Rising. Lots of cute footage of Clara in this one as we talk about including your kids in the homesteading process.
So we are cutting our galvanized water pipe to size to build the rack for the solar panels to sit on.
Clara is right there with us, just outside the camera view.
Measure twice, cut once.
Measure twice, cut once.
Okay, Clara, hold the tape there. There you go. Put it on the end there. Let it hook. Good job.
Our goal is to raise a confident and competent young woman.
William just said we're doing A, which is 6'10". What we did was make a diagram that included reference points for each of the pieces we had to cut. And then you might remember from our previous video, can't see it very well, but there we go, that first A point was actually 7 feet. You want to deduct 2 inches from all your vertical cuts so that your pipe isn't sitting directly on the ground. So when we pour the concrete and set it in the concrete, we'll lift it up so that in essence it'll be 7 feet tall, but it'll be 2 feet raised off the bottom of the hole. 2 inches, thank you. See, measure twice, cut once, and always have backup to check.
Pieces marked.
Yep, so then we've marked everything so that we don't have to remeasure it 600 times when we get up there and get ready to build it.
Oh, there's only one A.
Yep, next is B. Clara's a very good helper.
Don't move it.
Yeah, don't move it, huh?
Okay, double check. And B is 7-11.
7-Eleven, 12,
7-Eleven.
Diskin dough.
There go again.
If you like seeing our progress of our off-grid homestead build in Northern California, please remember to subscribe, hit the little bell icon to get alerts when we post new footage, and of course, share. I'd also really love to know in the comments if you'd be interested in hearing more about our practices when it comes to raising and teaching our daughter.
2 down. What?
2 more to go.
4 pieces that are done.
Oh,
Actually,
4 that are done.
I already did.
Oh,
Okay, do it over here.
Clara at 3 years old,
Okay, come over here.
writing the letter H.
And do 8.
Put it like right here. Make them a little wider next time, okay? Okay, come down here. Right here. Yep, make it a little wider. Like there you go, like that. Good job.
Now a crossbar in between.
There you
Perfect.
go. Come down here.
Hey,
One like right there. A little bigger. There you go.
And you're right, the crossbar is just like A.
And one right down here at the end. Some longer legs on it. There you go. Good job. Make it a little wider. Oops, sorry about that. Now cross it. Good job.
Nice work.
Good job.
and the rest for that.